Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, inshallah, we will learn Dua of Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tested Prophet Ayyub alayhi salam with loss of wealth, loss of children and severe disease, but he never complained and always thanked Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in Surah Al-Anbiya verse number 83 as Wa Ayyuba iz nada Rabbahu Anni masaniya dhurru wa anta arhamur rahimin. Rabbahu means his Rabb. So when we are making dua, we can include Rabbi instead of Rabbahu. So Rabbi Anni masaniya dhurru wa anta arhamur rahimin. Rabbi Anni. Rabbi means my Rabb. Anni means indeed I. Masaniya dhurru means has touched me. Ad-duru means difficulty or hardship or misfortune. Wa anta means and you. Arhamur rahimin. Arhamu means most merciful and rahimin means the merciful. Let us now revise the whole dua once again. Rabbi Anni masaniya duru wa anta arhamur rahimin. Rabbi Anni masaniya duru wa anta arhamur rahimin. The English translation of the dua is, my Rabb, indeed difficulty has touched me, and you are the most merciful of the merciful. After reciting this dua, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant him his health back and the children and his wealth. So include this dua in your daily list of duas. Jazakallahu khairan.